Collecting previous outstanding balance from customers. So first we can check the customer outstanding. One super trading. So this is the customer. I'm going to check the statement how much the pending balance. So here I can select the between date, otherwise last 365 days and standard statement. Here I can understand the outstanding balance. So the presently 294.250. This is the present outstanding. We can check the bill wise statement also. What are the bills pending? There is another one statement also. Here bill wise statement, here standard statement. So the bill wise statement. These bills are the pending. So this customer going to pay example for 150. So I'm going to collect this amount 150 from this customer. So here transactions by receive, it's called receipt. So any fund coming to your company, because fund receiving your company, it's called receipt. Cash in. So for example, I'm clicking here receipt, the customer name, super trading, and for example this customer pay 150. I'm going to click save. I can select where I receive this money, from directly from the bank or by cash. So this received by bank, and this date, which date is the check date, I can mention the check number also, I can mention here. After that I'm going to click save. So here bill wise settlement. So I can set what are the bills. This 150 the customer going to pay. So this 50 dinar non-settled. So I'm going to settle here. So this one settled. And now I have 100. I'm going to settle this bill also. So select the bill and add settlement, that one also. Now I have only 6.250, but here this bill is 73.5. So I can set partially. So here you can see the settled amount is 0. Here this bill all settled. That's why the bill amount is 50. Settled amount is 50. That is settled. So now I want to settle for this bill 6.250. If you are setting the partially, you have to enter manually. Manually what is the settlement amount. So here you can understand the changes. Add settlement. You can see this is 73.5 is the total bill amount. 6.5 settled. Balance this much. Still there is not settled. I'm going to click save this receipt. I can print also the receipt. Here the customer from which account we received, posting date, reference, everything will be mentioned here. And this assigned allocated for what are the bills, that one also mentioned here. I can print it here. Now I'm going to check the present statement for the customer. So here I'm going to select ledger inquiry, super trading. For example, this is the customer. I'm going to select last 1 year statement. Okay, standard statement. Here standard statement. So here you can understand this all the bill amounts. Here, so here 294.250 is the pending. Here 150 paid, it is credited. So balance this much amount only. Now I am going to check the bill wise statement. What are the bills settled, what is the non-settled, like that statement will be here. So here bill wise statement. So here these two bill only the pending. The first bill, as we said the partially, so 73.5, 6.250 settled, balance this much. So second bill is totally, so 144.250 is pending. Here non-settled vouchers I select. I can select the settled vouchers, what are the paid vouchers it will show, and all vouchers settled and non-settled together. This is the settled balance amount will be 0. Which one is the settled? The balance is 0. That is the total balance amount. Thank you.
AccroBIZ. Simplify your calculations. www.accrobiz.com